This is Dr. DIY. Here's what you need to change that battery. Start with the Toyota symbol facing you. Then find the latch at the top and pull it over and pull up on the physical key to remove it. Then, using the same latch, pull over towards your right side and push up on the Toyota symbol, and the faceplate will come off. Now you can get to unscrewing the screws with that screwdriver. Take a shot of espresso and zoom! There you go. Get those screws off. And once you get the screws off, there's a little plate here which you will remove with your fingernail, and there's the battery. Use the screwdriver to push at about the 5 o'clock position to get the top to pop out at about the 11 o'clock, and then use your fingernail to pull the battery out. It's a 2032 battery. Then put the battery in place, put that plastic plate back on, another shot of espresso, and get those screws back in. Zoom! Once you get these screws back in, you're going to put the faceplate back on. Here we go. Put it along the rails, slide it down, and then pull the latch a little bit towards you again and push it down to lock it in place. Then put the key in place. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, maybe subscribe. This is Dr. DIY signing off.